Hi guys, I'm not quite sure what to do today, and then I remembered I got two little things that I've done, two projects I've done that I haven't tied together, I suppose. I fixed my action camera, put a new lens on it. That was the one that I'd scratched it when it fell off in the skate park. So that's my action camera number 3. And the other thing I've done last night was I put little glass mirrors on this Land Rover. They don't look perfect, but when I do on-board videos, putting the camera there, shooting through the cab, it was quite noticeable that these mirrors were just black. So I put proper little glass mirrors on there so that when we're viewing the video back, we should be able to see, well, at least we won't be able to see the left-hand one because my driver's head is in the way, but we should be able to see the right-hand one. Just gives it that little bit of added realism. So when the battery's finished charging, we'll give it a run. It's a pretty dull day out there. It's not raining. Oh, focus. Yeah. We'll just go for the usual run over the obstacles, up the ramp, stop at the top, turn around, come back down again, maybe a little bit over the garden, the weeds. Might even go out that way. Earlier on there was loads of midges flying. It's the 10th of January, it's midwinter in theory, but obviously it's warmed up enough for them to hatch out and fly. But they seem to have gone again now, which is good. Don't like them. So that's what we'll do. Can't be long. Finished charging. It's dropped down to 0.2 of an amp charging rate. Oh, perfect. Right guys, let's have a little test run. Haven't had a drive with this for quite a while. It seems like a long time anyway. It is a while since I've done this. Whoa, nearly came off there. Got it jammed. Got it free. Is there any way of getting round that gap on the side? Done it. Got some weed tying it up. I think we're free. Don't think we'll get over that twig there. I'm not going up there. I think we'll get stuck if we go there. No way out. Nope, no space around there to get round. until then. No, not going to get up there. Right, that'll do. We'll see whether the camera's been recording okay. See what we've got. Thanks for watching. If you want more information, check down below in the video description. If you like this video, you might like this one up here. And if you want to subscribe, you can check out my channel over here. Up here is my latest video on my channel, and down here is a video playlist associated with the video you've just watched. Thanks again for watching.